Hey everybody, are you ready? Yeah! Okay.
Of these crimes are committed by youth of India, youths of a society. So quoting this report, Guru Maharaj Ji said, Ashutosh Maharaj Ji said, that something revolutionary needs to be done to reverse such a vicious, such a degrading conduct of youths of society. And especially the teenagers who are lying between 13 to 18 years age bracket. We need to discover something altogether new, a new development package for these blossoming units of society.
Every day a dream comes true, so this is what we've got to do. Teamwork, working together for a common goal. Yeah, teamwork, all for one and one for all.
We suffer with problems like lack of communication skills, parental pressure, improper food habits, laziness, lack of concentration, restless mind, exam anxiety, getting into drugs, mood swings, no time management and so on. You are like golden Buddhas. You have a shining, bright, golden self within you.
पढ़ाई में ध्यान लगता है।
मेरे को कहते हैं ध्यान दिलवाएंगे। ये ध्यान का सही मतलब क्या है? क्या है ध्यान? मुझे कौन बताएगा यहाँ पर? जब तक मुझे कोई नहीं बताएगा, मैं यहीं बैठा रहूंगा।
I'll tell you the logic behind. What happens is your body has salts. Okay? You agree with me? Body में salts हैं. और जब हमारे पेट में ये पेप्सी या ऐसी एरिएटेड ड्रिंक्स जाती हैं, and even if we add a pinch of salt to it, what happens? The acid level grows to such an extent कि हमारे अंदर का जो एक बैलेंस है that gets disrupted.
मेरा रंग दे
I have two sets of news for you, a good one and a bad one. Which one do you want to hear first, the good one or the bad one? The bad one. Okay, let's leave the good one for later. The bad news is that time flies. But the good news is that you are the pilot.
डिप्रेशन क्यों है? बिकॉज वी हैव क्रिएटेड सो मच प्रॉब्लम इन अवर ओन लाइफ. हमने खुद स्ट्रेस और डिप्रेशन को इन्विटेशन दिया है. एंड दस वी गो थ्रू अ ट्रबलसम फेज. वी स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग आवरसेल्व्स विद अवर फ्रेंड्स. दो वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पोटेंशियल.
Sketched the portrait of Maharaj Ji because of him we are able to attend this inspirational summer camp.
Are you youth? Yes. Are you daring? Yes. You can stand against all the wrongs and do right. Are you daring? Yes.
You have an irresistible urge to act. You want to do something. Yes? Yes. You have enthusiasm to understand, energy to work. Yes? A spirit to move ahead in your life. Yeah, great.
जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने दुनिया को तब गिनती आई तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई देता न दशमलव भारत तो यूं चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था सभ्यता जहां पहले आई
lengthy steps, the 18 steps involved in solving the fraction of 1/19 इतना बड़ा इतना tedious process है जिससे आप 1/19 को सॉल्व करते हैं और ये 18 डिजिट आंसर आपको मिलता है। लेकिन अब हम अगर वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स का जो फर्स्ट सूत्र है दैट इज एकाधिकेन पूर्वेन, इफ वी अप्लाई दिस सूत्र टू फाइंड आउट द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ 1/19 we can solve this very problem
because in other summer camps they just tell you what to do and what to do, but here they are telling how to inculcate in yourself and how to practice it daily, so it's just uniqueness about it. It's best.
It's very inspiring and very motivating, and I feel like I'm very enthusiastic after these 5 days, and it's great.
Inspiring us to adopt Indian culture because we are totally towards modernization and we are blindly following Western culture. So to be more successful, and we have learned today Vedic maths, which is much more easy and more simple than today's maths, and we can solve the problems very easily by this.
Awesome. Excellent. Great. We like the whole summer camp because it includes each and every aspect of teenage life and the most commonly problems which we are going through. We get the solution for all this.
बच्चे मन के सच्चे सारी जग की आंख के तारे ये वो नन्हे फूल हैं जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे बच्चे मन के सच्चे बच्चे मन के सच्चे।
हम जीतेंगे हर बार